over here, over.
You guys want this warrant now, over?
Yes, we're ready to copy now.
Proceed from is good enough for you. Is it correct, over?
Correct, over.
Here we go. Track warrant number 5959537, July 2nd, 2008, to the BNSF 9158 North, Burlington Northern Santa Fe 9158 North, NORTH at JO. Xbox 2. Proceed from JO to milepost 85, MP 85 on main track. One has one box marked 2, over.
Okay, repeating track warrant number 9537, 9537, dated July 2nd, 2008, to the BNSF 9158 North at JO. Checkbox 2, proceed from JO to milepost 85 on the main track. Track warrant 9537 has one box checkbox 2, copied by Hetzi, over.
9537, 9537, track warrant is okay at 1521, 1521, JAA, over.
Track warrant 9537 with one box check, box 2, authority from JO to milepost 85. It's okay at 1521. RTC is JAA, over.
That's correct, over. Do you know which power you guys are going to bring back to point that one unit, over?
Probably bringing back to BNSF 9563, over.
That's what I told the chief. He was asking a minute ago. I figured you'd bring that trailing unit back, over.
Roger. If something changes, we'll give you a shout, though.
Thank you, RTC. Signal indication across the diamond, over.